Well, hey, good day to you. This is Todd. I am a regular dude walking in the Word. We are in episode 32 today of Exodus. As we're going through Exodus, we are starting chapter 11 today, and we're getting ready to do the final plague, is what's happening here. And we're going to read the first three verses of chapter 11 today, and it's entitled, "The Godly Will Be Respected." Okay? It says this, and this is chapter 11 of Exodus, verses 1 through 3. Now the Lord had said to Moses, "I will bring one more plague on Pharaoh and on Egypt. After that he will let you go down from here, and when he does, he will drive you out completely. Tell the people that the men and the women alike are to ask their neighbors for articles of silver and gold." The Lord made the Egyptians favorably disposed towards the people, and Moses himself was highly regarded in Egypt by Pharaoh's officials and by the people. Okay? I believe in the King James it says, in verse 2, that they're to borrow articles of silver and gold. They weren't borrowing, they were, just like it says in the NIV here, they were asking for it, and the neighbors were gladly given it. Okay? And you're thinking to yourself, why was that allowed? They were basically plundering the Egyptians, and you're asking, why did they plunder the Egyptians like that? This was really for the back wages of all the time they had spent as slaves, those 400 years. Okay, so this is payment, and this stuff will be used later on, when they build the tabernacle and so forth. So the articles of gold and silver and stuff. And if you remember, some of that stuff is like coated with gold, in the tabernacle, and then also in the temple too. But so that's what's happening here, is they're basically plundering the Egyptians, but the Egyptians are glad to give it away. Okay. What's making them also favorably disposed towards the people and towards Moses especially is all these plagues have come through, and these people have witnessed everything. And in fact, Pharaoh's officials said, you need to let these people go because Egypt is already ruined. I mean, what more can happen? It's craziness here. But Pharaoh's heart was hard, and he wouldn't let the people go. But it says the people were favorably disposed towards the people and Moses himself. Okay, they had seen those plagues go through there, and they knew it was evidence with all that happened that there was a God, and they were following the true God, and so they were highly respected. Okay, and Moses was the leader of this, and everything he said was coming true. So you remember the religious officials said, let these people go, let them go. Okay. The point here is this, that you as a true Christian, you might be hated, but you will be respected by people, not only godly people, but ungodly people. Okay. So people might, go, oh, you don't live like the world, you don't, get drunk on the weekends and cheat on your wife and stuff like that. They're going to have respect for you, okay? They're probably not going to be your best buddy, but they're going to have respect for you. What they don't have respect for is this. When you act like you're a Christian, when you say that you're a Christian, but you don't, okay? And so I remember there was a man years ago, and he claimed it like he was a Christian, acted like it and stuff. But then the pagans, the unchristian people that I was around, would say, this guy talks like he's a Christian, but his actions are far from it. Okay, and they're like, if that's what a Christian is like, I don't really want to be like him. Okay, he was turning people away from Christ by the way he was. First of all, he was talking like he was a Christian, but not acting like it at all. Okay. And so if we want to be respected, we need to not only talk like we're a Christian, but act like it too. Okay, and I'm not saying you're perfect and stuff, but you're trying to live a godly life. Okay, So, thanks for watching. I'm just a regular dude walking in the Word, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow as we continue our journey through Exodus. Lord's blessing. I'll see you then.